Guys, you gotta stand there.
Oh, it's okay. Let them.
There's new toys in the kitchen.
You will be in the stories. Okay, go.
Hi, I'm Giovann and I'm the executive head chef at Norma, London. And today I'll be using, for the first time, the Sakai Kyuba knives. It's very important to have a very sharp knife because a blunt one will cut your hand more than a sharp one, really. I'm really squeezing. Okay. I think there's a knife that I really like to use is a chef's knife, which is a similar knife to this. But especially for cutting onions and shallots, because we need a very fine cut. In this case, brunoise.
What would you recommend? So a home cook that's looking to buy a new knife, what kind of things should they focus on?
One thing about having a good knife is to keep the knife sharp. This means that you need to sharpen your knife quite frequently to keep the blade at its best.
Repeat.
I'm sweating because it's hot. I'm sweating because I'm sweating, you know. Okay, I'm gonna use the Sakai Kyuba nakiri to cut these chilies. This is perfect for cutting vegetables. Anything else? It's very important for your knife that the same person sharpens the knife. So you can have the same angle. Yeah, that's a good one. That's a good one, yeah. Okay.
Yes.
How many layers?
46.
30.
46.
So you need so much time to.
Sorry?
You need time to sharpen and shape the stone.
The Sakai Kyuba knives are also quite aesthetically pleasing. It's very important to spend good enough time to sharpen them, to keep them at their best.
Okay. How do you normally store your knives?
Do you use sayas? Do you use like any leather?
Yeah, leather bows.
Oh, you just put them in a drawer. Oh, you.
Only the Western ones.
Okay, good. Good answer. Good answer.
Yeah. It's very important to store your knives properly. And for example, we all ask chefs to keep them in leather pouches and not in stainless steel metal drawers. This will prevent the knife getting blunt and damaging the sharp edge. So it's very important that it's stored properly to prolong the knife's life, sharpened life.
So, would you say it's a better investment to like buy something maybe more expensive, but it will last for years than?
It's more old. What's this one?
Paring knife.
Paring
Petting.
knife, yeah.
What do you say? Is it a good investment to
Yes,
buy a more expensive knife, but look after it?
When buying knives, it's important that sometimes it's better to spend a little bit more money and get a proper knife which will last longer than buying less expensive knives which will get blunt and it's harder to sharpen and harder to get back and carry on using.